closed.
Hey everybody, Chris Barron here. Thanks for switching over to MoGo. Hey, first time racing street stock. What up? Still a rookie, hoping to get out. We'll see how this goes. On the number 5 car, I qualified P3. I got a blinker in the Haviline car. Alright, so my goal is to get out of rookie this season. I got a 2.8 right now, which you can obviously see. It's hard. It's hard to stay out of some trouble. I should not qualify, but I just can't not learn my lesson.
One left to green.
Here we are. I'm here for the safety rating, and I'm driving a car I've never driven before. That's smart, right?
Get ready. Go
Alright,
green.
alright. Let's pay attention. Let's get it. Let's get it. I don't know how many laps. 40?
Car is off.
40 laps?
Green flag.
Ooh, Mountain Dew. Not get a good start.
You're on the bottom. 3 wide. Car outside.
Oh my god,
2
3 wide.
Still there. You're on the bottom. 3 wide. Outside. 2 wide. The next car's the leader. Keep low. Go low.
Thank you, spotter. Whoa! No, 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 no!
You're on the bottom. 3 wide. Outside.
Oh
2
my
wide.
gosh.
Keep low. Stay low. There is a car on the high side.
Oh, there's a car on the high side. He spun out. Dang it.
3 wide. Outside. 2 wide. Outside is clear.
8X.
Car outside. You're on the bottom. 3 wide.
Shoot!
Car in P1. Just set the fastest lap. 50.181. Inside. The next car's the leader.
Twelve X.
15.435.
Not great.
That was your fastest lap of the session. Just set your fastest lap of the session.
Alright, I'll go ahead and set my fastest so I can stop hearing that.
Draw again, getting high. The leader just did a 15.589.
I mean, how do I keep my old... How do I help that? I don't know what to do to stop it from being so high.
The car in front is pitting.
I'm in the highest gear. It keeps on rising. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna blow this engine. This is tricky. Is that why people are pitting?
Car inside. Clear. Car inside. Still there, hold your line. Clear. Delete consider 15.639. Inside. The leader is coming up with you. They're not at fight. Clear inside.
Alright, whatever. I'm just gonna drive to my heart's content until this motor blows. Look, Mom, one hand. I'm definitely blowing this motor. 300 degrees? I wonder if it's from damage. Oh my god, that scared the shit out of me.
Inside. Clear. Car inside. Clear. Your car has too much damage. We've got to fix it.
This sucks.
All the damage is repairable.
It's gonna take them about 30 seconds to replace my motor. I'm pretty sure I jumped when the motor blew. Oh my god, I have 16 of 17 safety rating. Maybe I don't want to go back out there. I mean, look at that oil temp. It's starting at 234 degrees. Pretty high for oil. These cars don't have oil coolers? What are they, illegal? So I wonder if I got incident points for blowing my engine and then someone hitting me. I'm going backwards. I'm going backwards on safety rating.
We're done. Get going.
242 already. You know, I gotta say, in the last two oval races, I haven't heard anyone say a word really, which is pretty surprising.
The leader is running 16.674.
Oh, look, it's going down. Maybe it was because I had damage earlier. That's all I can think of.
Lap of the session. You've got 2 laps to go. White flag, stay smooth.
Who's the leader battling?
Slow car down low, slow car up high, slow car ahead. Checkered flag.
We made it to the end.
Okay, we'll get him next time.
Maybe. Will there be a next time? I mean, when did that happen? Oh, yeah. That's why. I definitely had damage from early on. Okay. Hey, thanks for watching.